Guys, I made some unbelievable chicken wings. They were charcoal grilled. I hit them with a beautiful buffalo chicken wing sauce. Oh man, oh man. I even made blue cheese dip for the first time, and it turned out delicious. It's definitely something I can't wait to make again. And I'm going to go through everything in this video. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. Make sure you go ahead, like and subscribe. I'm going to walk you through everything here. So let's make a blue cheese dip. I'm using Blue Moo. It's a triple cream blue cheese by Cows Creamery based out of Prince Edward Island. I'm just going to set that to the side for now, and I'm going to use my microplane and just use 1 clove of garlic and run it through that. If you don't have a microplane, just try and just smash it, mince it, and dice it up as best you can. Then we're going to go in with a spoonful of mayo and sour cream. I kind of eyeballed it here. Just go for a big glob and make sure both of them are even. Then give it a quick spritz of some lemon juice and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to crumble in that cheese. Now, if you want to add some salt and pepper here, you're more than welcome. I totally forgot to record that part, so it's in there. I just don't show it, but add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And then just give it the old mix. And we're going to take some green onion, slice that up, and we're just going to pour that in as well, okay? Now, give it another quick mix, just so it's all incorporated. And there you go. Nice and chunky and delicious, guys. Creamy and perfect for those buffalo chicken wings. Now you're just going to put a little bit of tin foil or like saran wrap over this. Throw it in the fridge for right now. We're going to get to grilling up some chicken wings. So I'm using Impressed Mrs. chicken rub. Oh, buddy. It's a mixture of just delicious seasonings from Jimmy Lee Stokes and Barbecue Emporium. And guys, I've been really enjoying this. It's like a Newfoundland style chicken wing seasoning. Man, oh man, is it ever good. You can see here I'm wang jangling that seasoning all over these chicken wings. Guys, we want to get every nook and cranny. That's super important here. Now I'm using my Napoleon charcoal grill, fired up with a bed of Kingsford charcoal briquettes. You can see them down there through the grill grates. They've got this thing running at about 450, 500 degrees. I've got the cast iron grill grate on my Napoleon charcoal grill on the highest setting, but it's still rip-roaring hot. All right, we're just going to let these cook. I rotate them basically every 10 minutes or so. Once they hit about 180, 185 degrees internal, that's when I decide to pull them off. Man, oh man, don't those look absolutely spectacular? That seriously has my mouth watering. So I pull them off, and now I'm going to hit them with a complimentary sauce. Can't fly on one wing buffalo sauce. I already cooked with this with ribs. It was absolutely delicious. But chicken wings are what this is actually designed for. So, as always, you know me, wang jangling that sauce all over these chicken wings, making sure, again, to get every nook and cranny. And dude, this was spectacular. I mean, look at these chicken wings, charcoal grilled. They got a little bit of char on there. It's looking absolutely delicious. That sauce is coating absolutely everything. I'm telling you, we got some flats, some drums. It's going to be good, guys. This is going to be a little snack. But don't forget about that blue cheese dip, the perfect complement. I don't know what it is, the spiciness of the buffalo and the creaminess of the blue cheese. It just pairs perfectly. I was really thrilled. Let's get that combo back in the go. Here it is. So, man, I don't know what's up, but like, dude, it's so delicious. That creamy complement for that spicy chicken wing is literally a 10 out of 10. I don't really know what I was doing there a second ago with that chicken wing. That was a bit rowdy. Anyway, holy cow, guys. Man, go for the dip. Trying to get a good, chunky one. Lots of clumps, some of that blue cheese on there. And this was such a good bite. Man, I loved everything about this flavor profile. If you're into chicken wings, I highly recommend you try a blue cheese dip. If you're on Team Ranch, give it a shot. I was always on Team Ranch, and it was for no good reason other than it was what I was used to. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.